Hi, excuse me. I need some information about the train to Oxford.
Of course. When are you planning to travel?
Today, if possible.
Okay. The next train to Oxford leaves at 2:30 p.m.
From which platform?
Platform 5. You can follow the signs over there.
Thanks. How long is the journey?
About 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Do I need to buy a ticket in advance?
Yes, you can buy it here or use the machine next to the platform.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card or cash. Both are fine.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.